Hey Trekkies, welcome back to another video. Now I come bearing some somber news. Jamaican athlete and University of Wyoming student Nathan Reed has died in a car crash. According to reports, Reed's vehicle was traveling westbound on US Highway 18 about 5 miles east of I-25 near Orin Junction and south of Douglas, Wyoming. The exact time of the accident has not yet been confirmed. Now, road construction workers discovered Reed at the car crash site early Monday morning. Now, details regarding the accident at this time are limited. However, it appeared to be a single car accident. Nathan Reed would have been entering his senior year at the University of Wyoming in fall of 2023. Now, he competed in the discus and shot events. Nathan Reed was a former Cornell College athlete and was majoring in medical engineering. Our thoughts and prayers are with his family, friends, and loved ones.